Hi, my name is Andy Ingberson from AJA Technical Support, and today we'll be walking through installing AJA desktop software version 18 on macOS Tahoe. AJA desktop software is the all-in-one software package for AJA's KONA cards and Thunderbolt I/O devices. It provides all necessary drivers, plugins, and apps needed to configure and control these devices. The package includes AJA Control Panel, AJA Control Room, and AJA System Test Utilities. AJA Corvid cards are also compatible with the desktop software applications, but certain functions have limited support. AJA Desktop Software version 18 introduces support for the macOS driver extensions, DEXT, Apple's modern application framework. Prior to installing version 18, it is necessary to run the new AJA Uninstaller app provided in the desktop version 18 zip file. First, download and unzip the AJA Desktop Software version 18 zip file from the AJA website. It will be available on the Download tab under each supported product. For this demo, I will be using an AJA I/O X3. In this folder, you will find the AJA Desktop Installer PKG file, the new AJA Uninstaller, the version 18 release notes, and a folder containing the user manuals for each of the supported products. Start by running the AJA Uninstaller to remove any previous versions. At the introduction screen, click Continue. And click Continue once more. Click Uninstall. A Permissions Required alert will pop up. Click Open System Settings. Toggle on the slider next to AJA Uninstaller. Enter your password. Close System Settings, and back on the AJA Uninstaller screen, click Uninstall again. Click Done. A terminal window will open. When prompted, enter your password. If successful, you should see a message stating that the process is done and that you can close this window. Now, reboot your computer. Once rebooted, run the AJA Desktop Installer PKG. Click Allow. Click Continue to move on to the next step. You may see a pop-up if your system does not have the recommended 16 GB of RAM. The software can be installed on your system with less than 16 GB of RAM, but you might see reduced performance. After reviewing the important information, click Continue. Review the software license agreement and click Continue. Click Agree to agree to the software license agreement. Here, the default option is to install these applications for use by all users of the computer. You can change this if desired. Click Continue. If you are running Avid, Adobe, or Wirecast, click Custom Install to confirm that the appropriate plugins are selected. Click Install to confirm the install location. Enter the admin password and click Install Software to continue. Next, you will see a pop-up that says AJA Extension Installer would like to use a new driver extension. Do not click on OK, instead click Open System Settings. A macOS driver extension panel will open. Next to the AJA Extension Installer app, toggle the switch on. Enter the admin password and click Done. You can now close System Settings, and if the AJA installer is still open, you can click Close. reboot the computer. Your installation of AJA desktop software is now complete. Now, connect your AJA device to the computer and run the included AJA control panel to verify that everything is working. Open Control Room, select Capture Mode, and you will see a preview of the incoming video. And there you have it. We have successfully installed AJA Desktop Software version 18 for macOS Tahoe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.